there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with Rise Marketing and Design.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. So I've had a few of you comment on my video and ask me a question that I know a lot of us have when we are starting to build our email list and trying to decide on our capture pages if we should do a double opt-in or a single opt-in. And a lot of us wonder, well, which one is actually better? Why do some companies don't allow you to just do single opt-in, or why some recommend double opt-in? And the truth is that at the end of the day, only data can really tell you the truth. But in this video, I am going to do the best that I can based on my experience and what I've done in the past to help you figure out if you should do double opt-in or single opt-in on your next lead capture campaign. So if you are interested in learning, should you do a double opt-in or a single opt-in on your next lead capture page form, then keep on watching. Guys and gals, again, this is Barbie Figueroa with Rise Marketing and Design.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, double opt-in versus single opt-in. Well, first of all, what do each of these things mean? Okay, so basically what happens is when you are setting up a lead capture form because you want to build your list so you can do email marketing, right? You have the choice of doing a double opt-in or a single opt-in. So what's the difference? Well, a double opt-in is a process where your lead has to enter their name and email, and in order to continue to receive your emails, they have to go to their email, the one that they subscribed with, and confirm that they want to continue hearing from you. That's what a double opt-in is. Now, in a single opt-in, they can opt in as a lead and they don't have to confirm their emails, and they will still continue to get your emails. So which is better? And it almost seems like one is going to make you jump through a hoop and the other one is kind of just like a free-for-all, everybody goes, right? Well, here is what I propose that you think about. At the end of the day, what is the point of having your email list? Think about that for a second. Do you want leads, or do you want, which is what I think we all really want at the end of the day, do you want engaged buyers? Leads won't help your bottom line. Leads alone, emails alone will not make you more money. You are not going to make any money from that lead or email until they buy. That's just the bottom line. So when I look at the single opt-in, double opt-in debate, I'm thinking, okay, which is the one that is going to result in a buyer? So let's reverse engineer the process just a little bit. When I first got started online and I was new, I did what a lot of people do, because when you don't have experience, when you don't go out there and do attraction marketing and you don't know how to create content and all that good stuff, one of the fastest ways to generate leads is through placing solo ads. So basically what a solo ad is, it's like a one-time media buy. You're basically borrowing someone else's list to build your own. So typically what you would do, let's say for example, if you're selling an internet marketing product, you would contact someone who has an internet marketing list. You would pay them $100, $200 to run an ad to their list, and then that would result in a burst of leads into your autoresponder, right? And so what happens is, I think that because we grow as internet marketers in phases, in the very beginning, we just want leads, because leads is the buzzword. You need leads. But I'm going to tell you from experience, an email address alone does not equal a viable lead. Okay. Now, for data purposes, yeah, it sounds really attractive when you have a high lead conversion rate on an opt-in form. So for example, if 1,000 people visit your lead capture page and you get a 55% opt-in rate because you ran a solo ad, It sounds like, wow, I got over 500 leads with one solo ad run. That sounds really attractive, and it's a real marketable angle. However, if you continue to track those people down your funnel, down your sales process, out of those 500 some odd people, how many of them are actually buying anything, right? So what happens is that in time, as time goes on, those emails can actually cost you more money, right? Because a lot of email providers, they start increasing your monthly bill depending on how many subscribers you have on your list. So all of a sudden, 550 leads or emails that we thought was an awesome thing can actually end up costing you more money in the long run if they're not viable, if they are not engaged, if ultimately they don't become buyers. So that's kind of what happens with a single opt-in form. If you let just anybody in, you have a higher tendency to get a lot of spam emails that eventually get blacklisted, and this could actually hurt you. But a lot of people like the single opt-in because it's exciting to generate a lot of leads, and after spending a couple $100, you want to at least get leads, because at the end of the day, that's what you're paying for. But what you really, really, really want are buyers. So how does a double opt-in help you filter the looky-loos from the actual buyers? Well, like I mentioned before, when you do a double opt-in, you have to jump through a hoop, right? I like to call it jump through a hoop. And if you're willing to jump through hoops to get to the end goal, then that is a more quality leads. And this is how you can actually track the behavior of someone going through your sales process. If you have someone going through a single opt-in and they never open your emails or they get blacklisted, then obviously they're never going to buy anything from you, and they might end up costing you money. But if you have a few hoops to go through, namely a double opt-in form, now this lead, this person, they're going to put in their real email address more than likely if they really want your information. So right there, their quality score gets a point. Now, if they confirm their actual email, now they have a quality score in my book of 2. And now if they open your emails and they're engaged, well, their quality score goes up to a 3. And if you continue to email and they open your emails, then their quality score increases, and you can kind of sort of predict if this person's going to be a buyer or not. That's what the data shows us. So based on my experience, the people that are more engaged on your list, the people that take more actions, the people that jump through more hoops, those are the kind of people that will end up being buyers. So now, don't get me wrong, there's definitely downfalls to the double opt-in. The biggest downfall that comes with having a double opt-in is that people forget to go and confirm their emails a lot of the times. But here's my stand on it. I can only speak for myself, but when I want something, when I want information, when I really want to get my hands on whatever it is that I opted in for, I am going to enter my name and email. I am going to confirm my email, and I am going to take the next steps. If I'm not really interested, I'll probably just put a whatever email just to see what's on the other side, and I won't take the next actions. But do you really want to lead like that? No, because that person is not interested. It's like trying to get someone that doesn't like you to go out with you. It's no fun. You want to go out with someone who actually does like you and who is interested in you. And so this is kind of sort of the same thing. So for me, that is like the biggest downfall, that people forget to confirm. And that can be a little frustrating, which is why some people like the single opt-in, because if they forget, they're still going to get your emails. So it's kind of like a pro and con situation. Now, according to Opt-in Monster, which is a WordPress opt-in plugin, there are countries like Germany, for example, where now double opt-in is the norm. Because of the new European restrictions on email marketing, you're going to see that a lot more people are going to be defaulting to the double opt-in procedure. Now, a lot of companies still have single opt-ins, but based on the data, people that click more and people that are more engaged are the people that actually confirm their emails from the get-go. So it goes back to the original question. Do you want leads alone or do you want buyers? So that is completely up to you. Now, another question that I've received is BUILDERALL, which is the company that I'm aligned with, which I use their digital marketing software to build my business online, and I build all my funnels with BUILDERALL. They have an email autoresponder called Mailing Boss, and by default, you have to do the double opt-in. So for those of you that still have questions after everything that I've explained, if you need the single opt-in, when you go ahead and you configure your email, you do have the option to have a single opt-in, but you have to meet certain parameters. Same thing happens with Aweber. Like, I have Aweber for some old stuff that I have online that, you know, it's just already out there, and so I still need my Aweber account. But Aweber automatically defaults you to double opt-in, and if I want to remove the double opt-in and make it a single opt-in, then I have to contact Aweber's live chat support so that they can remove the double opt-in and make it a single opt-in. But guys and gals, I'm telling you right now, you've just got to study the numbers. Forget about the leads or the emotional excitement. You have to look at the data once you start generating those leads. What I recommend that you do is that you really start tracking your opens, tracking your data, and compare from double opt-in to single opt-in so that you can see what is converting the most for you. So hopefully this video helped. Hopefully this video gave you some pros and cons as to why you should do double opt-in over single opt-in. Me personally, I've started to convert my things into double opt-in, and what I notice is that yes, my list doesn't grow as fast, but it converts higher in the long run. And ultimately, that's what I want, because I'm not going to sell my email list to some garbage email reseller. So since I'm not worried about that, I really want to attract partners and clients for the long run. I'm okay with double opt-in, and I've started converting most of my campaigns to double opt-in. So that's all I have to say about that. Again, though, only the data can tell you the truth, so you're going to have to kind of test it out for yourself. But I'll go ahead and link an awesome article that you can check out right below. It's where I got some of my data from, so that you can check it out and see what an opt-in plugin actually has to say about it. That'll probably shed some light on what you should do. So, but I know that as new marketers, we get super excited that we generate a bunch of leads, but guys and gals, I'm telling you, if those leads don't convert into sales, then there's really no point. And the only way to get those leads to convert into sales is by engaging with them and creating content and giving value. And obviously their desire, their need has to match the solution that you're offering for them to buy. So those are the things that have to take place in order for a sale to happen. So it's just much more than just generating a lead. Okay. So anyway, I hope that this video kind of shed some light on the subject. If it did, please go ahead and like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't activated a 7-day free trial of BUILDERALL yet, and you'd like to, I have created a 7-day boot camp that you can check out absolutely free at www.7daytrialbootcamp.com. Make sure to opt in, activate a 7-day free trial, check it out. The boot camp is free. And hopefully I will see you inside of BUILDERALL very, very soon. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. I will see you on another video. Bye.